drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kabrina K, and if you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and make sure you turn on that bell so you know every time I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channels, babies. As you can see by the title, we are getting into another banging ass hair tutorial. I love hair tutorials, and it seems like y'all love my hair tutorials too. I will have all of my hair tutorials linked in the description below. But as you can see by the title, we are getting into how to put in clip-ins at home. Yes, this is clip-ins, and this is clip-ins from HollywoodBundles LLC, my hair company. So if you haven't already followed us on Instagram, make sure you follow us on Instagram. I will have our social media linked in the description below, and I will also have it on the screen. But this is HollywoodBundles. In my last video, I showed you guys how to make these clip-ins at home using your own bundles or HollywoodBundles. So I will also have that video linked in the description below. So make sure you go check that out first, and then you want to come back here, and then you want to see how you put the clip-ins in. So this is basically like a part 2. But I'm also using different clip-ins in this video. As you can see, we have our jet black going on, and 30. I'm going to stand up in a second so you can see it, the final result. But I've been like, usually I'm not a jet black girl. I'm not a black girl, but I'm kind of a jet black girl. Like, I love jet black to the point, like, it's sexy to me. So it always give you healthy, it always give you sexy, it always give you yours. A lot of people would think this is a sew-in, and it's actually clip-ins, and it feels like I really just got my hair done, like it's a fresh style, everything. So this is inches 28 and 30. This is our raw Indian body wave. I was going for the straight middle jet black part with the wavy, you know, look. And y'all, I love it. Like, I am obsessed. I will show y'all everything, but I am like literally obsessed. The quality of this hair is just freaking amazing. I cannot make it up. If you want to purchase any of your bundles, I also ship out to different states. Atlanta and New York has been my top states that I've really been shipping out to. So like I was saying, y'all, I was going for the middle jet black healthy look. I'm really like obsessed with this look. It's giving healthy. It's giving so gorgeous. It's giving vacation. I'm gonna stand. And y'all, this is clip-ins. Like, I cannot make this up. Like, I don't want to talk too much. I want to just get in the video. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it. Leave your comments down below. Follow me on all of my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, I already really started on the back because I can barely see the back, and I know y'all are absolutely not going to be able to see the back. Yes, I'm shaking my HollywoodBundles LLC, and I'm just showing y'all how I started it. So we're going to get started, and we're going to part it. I kept getting frustrated in the video, so you're going to see my mouth moving because y'all know I just bleached my hair, and I told y'all once it start acting crazy because I want to lay on it, I was taking really, really good care of it before I started laying on it. And then once I started laying on my hair every night, it started to eat it away at my size, as y'all can see. But I got some Jamaican castor oil on it, so everything is going to grow back and it's going to be fine. But I kept seeing parts of my hair that wasn't jet black, and it was pissing me off because I dyed my hair jet black over the bleach. And I also dyed my bundles by clip-ins, as y'all going to see me put in my hair. So you're going to see me getting a little frustrated about that. But now we're just going to part, like I said before previously, that I already did the back, because you will not be able to see me do the back. So you're just going to watch the screen and see me put these clip ends in my hair, and we can just go from there. As you see, I'm combing and I'm blending in. Every time I part my hair, I blend it in with the rest of the bundles. And I'm going to keep turning around to show you guys. And you guys, if you see a clip, that doesn't matter. When the hairstyle is completely finished, you won't see anything. It will honestly look like a fresh sew-in. I am obsessed with clip-ins, and I made these clip-ins at home by myself using HollywoodBundles LLC. So make sure you shop there. There is one of the clip-ins I am about to put in my hair, and I'm going to have the video linked down in the description below, where I show you guys how to make at-home clip-ins with your own bundles. Or you can purchase bundles from my HollywoodBundles LLC. And I also like to double up my clip-ins you'll see in this tutorial, because I love for it to be natural but also thick. So they're so easy to put in. I mean, you literally just clip it to your hair. Make sure you clip it to your hair. It's nothing else you can clip it to. You can't clip it to your scalp. You have to clip it to your actual hair. And I promise you guys, I say you can sleep in them. I had that hairstyle literally for like 2 months. And as y'all see on the screen, you see all that hair where I'm pointing at right now. That's where I'm going to double up my clip-ins. And that's the perfect way to keep it thick and, you know, make sure it's not thin looking. So I'm going to put a clip-in right there on that part as well. And I'm just going to keep stacking these clip-ins in. Like, wherever you feel like you got some space at, put a clip-in in. Because you want it to be really nice and full. As you see in the beginning and the end of my video, you're going to see it's so natural. It's so natural, but also it has that thickness to it. So you want to keep that, and I'm just keep showing y'all how it's looking. And I promise you, when everything is done, you won't see a track, you won't see a clipping, you won't see anything. Just make sure you keep paying attention to the screen. Do not mind my nails. I've been jet blacking it up all for like 2 days, so my hands still have dye on it, so don't mind that. So like I said before, I'm just combing everything and blending everything in. I'm going for that wavy type of look. So at the top, it could be straight, long as when it gets to the middle and the ends is wavy. So as you can see, everything is blending in. And this is why I color my hair the same color that I'm going to wear my bundles, like I did in my last video. You see that I had blonde at the top and I had black at the bottom. And I made sure my clip-ins was the same color. So now I'm just going to part like I did before, show you my clip in, and I'm going to put that clip in again, and it's going to keep getting repetitive, you guys. This is just a tutorial on how to put the clip ins in your hair. So you can just watch the screen, and I'm going to clip in that clip in my hair, clip it on the hair. And you're going to do it as if you was gluing. You see how that track is almost lined up with my scalp. And it don't have to be perfect, especially if you're doing it by yourself, long as it's neat. Because I am a perfectionist. I will keep taking it out and clipping it in until I feel like it's like perfect. And this is the most perfect I'm going to get, being as though I'm doing it by myself. And I'm not going to lie, I love it. It feel like I got a brand new hairstyle. It actually feel like I got a nice sew-in, just not tight. It's very natural, very fluffy. I just love everything about clip-ins. I am really like addicted to it. Ever since I started making them at home, I've been completely addicted to it. I don't know. Well, I really need to give my hair a break, being as though I bleached it and I wanted to start laying on it. Laying on your hair after bleaching it is only going to cause breakage. Now, however, if you keep it up, keep your oils on your hair and keep it tied up, nothing will go wrong with your hair and bleach. That was my mistake, and I knew better, because everything was going really, really good for the first couple of weeks, and then I started laying on and getting comfortable, because I feel like I can lay on my hair because I got quality hair and it won't ever get matted or stuff like that. So that's why I lay on my hair. But you still supposed to take care of your hair. Don't matter how good the quality is, you are supposed to tie your hair up every night. And that's what I'll do from this point on. So now we better go into another clip in. And as you seen on that screen, I parted it. I melted everything in and blended it. And now I'm about to put that clip in back on in my hair. So now I'm just showing you the thickness and the quality of Hollywood Bundles LLC. Make sure you shop my hair company. I will also have that link in the description below. Follow our Instagram page and it will also be on the screen. So I'm just showing you how thick it is. And I also added more pieces in the front. You'll see at the end of the video and the beginning of the video. And I'm just combing everything through. I ran out of hair clips, so I just, you know, glued a few pieces in front. Like I told y'all, I like it to be thick. Look how natural it looks. Look how good quality that Hollywood Bundles. Make sure you shop Hollywood Bundles. This is raw Indian tresses. This is inches 28 and 30. And I'm just going to stand up just to show y'all. And I still couldn't really show y'all how long it was. But look how gorgeous that hair is. Make sure you shop Hollywood Bundles LLC if I didn't tell you before. And follow my hair page. I will see you guys in my next video.
Then drop them drawers, I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real?